Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah narrowly escaped harm when an assailant rushed towards him and fired a shot before being overpowered by the security personnel. The attacker, identified as Kamal Singh Jamwal, was reportedly under the influence of alcohol and is now in police custody. The incident occurred in Jammu's upscale Greater Kailash locality as Farooq Abdullah and Deputy Chief Minister Surinder Chaudhary were exiting a marriage function. We have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Union Home Minister Amit Shah spoke to Farooq Abdullah after the attack. Farooq Abdullah said the Home Minister checked on his health, informed him the attacker has been caught and assured that a probe is underway to find out what transpired.
आपको होम मिनिस्टर साहब का भी फोन आया था, गृह मंत्री जी का?
हाँ, मुझे आया था।
क्या बोला?
रात को उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि आप कैसे हैं? मैंने कहा जी शुक्र है उसका, ऊपर वाले का, कि मैं बच गया हूँ। और उन्होंने कहा नहीं, हमने उसको पकड़ लिया है, उसकी तहकीकात करेंगे और आपको बता देंगे कि ये क्या हुआ है।
All right, we have more breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Now, Farooq Abdullah has raised concerns over security arrangements after the alleged assassination bid. Farooq Abdullah says there was no police presence at the venue despite several prominent people attending the event. The former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister said he was saved because his security team, along with ministers and MLAs present, acted with courage. He's also called for an inquiry into the incident and has warned about the growing atmosphere of hatred. So Farooq Abdullah flags security lapse, says there was no police arrangement at the venue. Listen in.
सवाल इस बात का है, इस मैरिज में सारे बड़े बड़े लोग थे, इसलिए पुलिस को इसका एहतियात ख्याल तो रखना चाहिए था, जिसका नहीं था। वहाँ कोई पुलिस का इंतज़ाम था ही नहीं। ये तो अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि मेरी सिक्योरिटी मेरे साथ थी और फिर हमारे जो मिनिस्टर साहब थे उनकी थोड़ी सी सिक्योरिटी थी साथ, और हमारी ये MLAs वगैरह थे जिन्होंने उस वक्त हिम्मत की और मैं बच गया। इंक्वायरी तो उनको करनी चाहिए, ये हुआ क्यों, क्या वजह थी, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें होती रहती हैं। आजकल जिस माहौल में हम रह रहे हैं, जहाँ पे कि एक नफरत का एक जाल फैला हुआ है, वहाँ पे एहतियात करना चाहिए।
Let's go across to Ankit, my colleague, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. Farooq Abdullah is talking about security lapse. He's questioning why was there no police presence despite VVIPs, taking part in the event, attending the marriage event.
Yes, absolutely. Farooq Abdullah, who has been the chief minister, former chief minister of the Jammu and Kashmir, he has been the central minister. He has been the central minister. He is raising the question after the fire incident which took place yesterday. He's clearly saying that not only me, but there were many VVIPs in this particular marriage event. Why there was no police protection? Why there was no police on the gate, why there was no police protections being over there. What Farooq Abdullah is saying that one more thing, one important thing, Farooq Abdullah is saying that I don't know Kamal, who Kamal Singh Jamwal is. I had not met him. This is one point. Another point which Farooq Abdullah is raising about the security concern. He is clearly saying that there is a security lapse. Deputy CM Surinder Chaudhary today also he said that while this incident happened, we were the first. Our escort team was the first who catched this particular person, and our PSO took him to the police station. No one came to the marriage hall. No of the police officials came there. Third point in the Farooq Abdullah press conference is that Amit Shah has talked, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has talked to the Farooq Abdullah yesterday. He has assured him the investigation will be done and a fair investigation will be done, and we will tell you what happens and why did he did this. Why did he did this. an important thing, one more thing, what Farooq Abdullah said in his press conference is that this was their NSG guards and the escorty team who, because of them, Farooq Abdullah was totally safe. And this is the main pointers, this is the main crux of the press conference by the Farooq Abdullah. Yesterday, the incident took place in the Greater Kailash area where a man, Kamal Singh Jamwal, who tries to pinpoint on the Farooq Abdullah. One of the round was fired by the Kamal Singh Jamwal. Although Jammu Kashmir police has arrested this Kamal Singh Jamwal, who has been accused of firing on the Farooq Abdullah. He is also being questioned by the Jammu and Kashmir police. He has been took to the Gangyal police station, where from last 12 hours the questioning is being going on. He is clearly saying that I have been waiting for last 20 years to assassinate Dr. Farooq Abdullah. This is a big question. What Farooq Abdullah is saying, Deputy CM is also raising the questions.
Abdullah, they're also saying that thankfully his security was present along with the other ministers and the teams that helped him go unharmed. Ankit, stay on with us. Let's take a look at other reactions coming in as well. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has strongly condemned the attack on Farooq Abdullah, raising the issue in Rajya Sabha and questioning the centre over what he called a possible assassination bid. Kharge asked whether the government wanted Farooq assassinated and alleged that the secular leaders in Jammu and Kashmir were being targeted. Responding to the controversy, Union Minister JP Nadda said the government will enhance Farooq Abdullah's security and that a probe is underway to determine the motive behind the attack, while accusing the opposition of politicizing a grave matter.
कश्मीर में फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब के ऊपर हमला किया गया है और तो हमला किया गया है और उनकी सुरक्षा खतरे में है। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर खत्म हो रहा है और इम्पोर्टेंट लीडर्स को मारे जाने की मंसूख कर रहे हैं। अगर थोड़े देर एक ही मिनट अगर होता तो फारूक अब्दुल्ला को मार देते थे। कि क्या गवर्नमेंट का इरादा है कि फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब को मारने का? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट वहां पर बनेगी तभी लोग सुरक्षित रहेंगे। आपके हाथ में कश्मीर के लोग सुरक्षित नहीं है।
सभापति जी, कल जो रात घटना घटी है, जम्मू कश्मीर के वरिष्ठ नेता और देश के भी वरिष्ठ नेता श्रीमान फारूक अब्दुल्ला जी, जो कई बार मुख्यमंत्री रहे, उन पर जानलेवा हमला हुआ। ये बहुत ही चिंता का विषय है और ये बहुत ही गंभीर मामला है। भारत सरकार इस बारे में बहुत गंभीर है और मैं भारत सरकार की ओर से इस बात का विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि जितनी भी इसमें इंक्वायरी की आवश्यकता होगी वो पूरी की जाएगी और जो दोषी है जिसे पकड़ लिया गया है उसके मंसूबों को भी बहुत गहराई से उसकी जानकारी ली जाएगी। हर बात को राजनीतिक चश्मे से देखना और उसको पॉलिटिकल एंगल देना यह उचित नहीं है।
Now, according to sources, 65-year-old Kamal Singh Jamwal was intoxicated when he attempted to assassinate Farooq Abdullah, firing a single round. It is also reported that Jamwal had been plotting the attack for the past 20 years. Here's a ground report from our reporter from Ankit after the incident.
Right now, I am at the spot in the Royal Park. This is the main banquet hall where Dr. Farooq Abdullah was targeted by the Kamal Singh Jamwal. He has fired at least one round of fire on him, but Dr. Farooq Abdullah is right now safe. along with Dr. Farooq Abdullah, Deputy CM of Jammu and Kashmir. Surendra Chaudhary was also in this particular marriage function. What we are learning is that he was trying to target Dr. Farooq Abdullah. His age is around 65 years. What we are also learning is that from last 20 years in his convention, he has said that from last 20 years he was trying to target Dr. Farooq Abdullah. Today was the day when he fired one round of blood from his licensed weapon, although Jammu and Kashmir police has arrested the accused. The investigation is going on, but Surendra Chaudhary, who is the Deputy CM of the Jammu and Kashmir, has raised a question on the security lapse, and particularly this is the particular spot where Dr. Farooq Abdullah was coming with his escorts and with Deputy CM Surendra Chaudhary. They were attending this function, but what we are learning is that at least one round of bullet was fired by the accused. He has been arrested by the Jammu and Kashmir police. He is right now in the Gangyal police station where the investigation is underway.
Farooq Abdullah's son and Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah questioned how the attacker was able to get so close to the former Chief Minister despite heavy security. He emphasized that several questions remain unanswered. Omar Abdullah stated that it was only the quick response of the close protection team which deflected the shot that prevented the assassination attempt from succeeding. Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister Surendra Chaudhary made a serious allegation claiming that no Jammu and Kashmir police personnel were present at the scene. Meanwhile, Nasir Aslam Wani, advisor to the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister, stated that this was a clear attempt to murder Farooq Abdullah.
जम्मू शहर में देर रात एक शादी समारोह में गोलीकांड का मामला सामने आया है। इस शादी समारोह में जम्मू कश्मीर के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब शामिल थे। ये बेहद गंभीर और चिंताजनक मामला है। जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने उस गोली कांड में शामिल शख्स को गिरफ्तार कर लिया है। तमाम पहलुओं की जांच पुलिस कर रही है। भगवान का शुक्र है कि सभी लोग जो उस शादी समारोह में थे, जिसमें डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला भी शामिल थे, सब सुरक्षित हैं।
देखिए, जिस तरह से जो है कश्मीर के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री पे हमला हुआ, जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज है वो और भी चिंता का कारण है कि एक व्यक्ति इतने करीब पहुंच गया, वो बहुत करीब पहुंच के उसने हमला किया। तो ये चिंता का भी विषय है। समाजवादी पार्टी इसकी निंदा भी करती है और समाजवादी पार्टी विपक्ष के सभी नेताओं की सुरक्षा को बढ़ाने की भी मांग करती है। आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी की भी सुरक्षा को बढ़ाया जाए।
It's shocking because I was in charge of Jammu and Kashmir, and he had Z plus security, and then also his has been attacked. So this shows the condition of our security forces. Government has to take a very strict action on it because these are the main persons of our country. So they should not be attacked like this.
All right, with that we're slipping into a very short break. There's a lot more lined up on the other side. Stay on with us.